Hi everyone, in this video we're gonna download IntelliJ IDE for our future work, and I would like to download IntelliJ free version on my Mac. I personally prefer to work with IntelliJ if I have an opportunity, therefore I am going to download it. So I just wrote in Google download IntelliJ free version on Mac, and if you can see here we need to download Community Edition. So let's try to go download IntelliJ IDE. Okay, so right here we're gonna download that. If you wanted to know what exactly do you need to use, I all the time checking, to be honest, in Google. Let's say so I wrote the question how to understand which IntelliJ I need to download for my Mac is Apple Silicon or Intel, and when I'm searching for that, we need to check our Mac processor. Okay, so right now we got the result and we have to go to about our Mac. So if you will click just on your screen and you have like Apple sign above, you cannot see on my screen, but you can click on your Apple sign above and you can see about this Mac, and we can see here in chip. If we are seeing chips, that means is Apple Silicon. If we are seeing processor, it should be Intel. So we are seeing on my Mac it's a chip. So when I'm gonna go here, I'm gonna go and click Apple Silicon and download. And I would like to save it into my documents because I just like to keep it organized there. So I'm gonna save it there. And now I'm gonna open it, move it to application folder. Okay, and now let's check it out. Yeah, it was successfully installed, and now we have a project. So we are coming back to our Cypress projects, one that we already created, but it's saved in one folder. But I want to open this project inside my IDE so I can work on that and modify. So if I will open the folder, I'm gonna go into my documents, frameworks, and here if you see I have my Cypress framework. So let's go and click open. Yes, I'm trusting this project, so